I am studying 2 genes that are involved in bowel cancer risk, and my research focuses on changing the levels of these genes in cells to see how they affect the behavior of tumors. There are many mutations in these genes that have been shown to cause an increased risk for developing bowel cancer. So I want to try and figure out which of these mutations cause this increased risk, and then how these genes will affect a tumor in a patient. I chose to study bowel cancer because bowel cancer has many hereditary factors, and we know that genetics plays an important part in bowel cancer, and it is also one of the most prevalent forms of cancer in the UK.
There's still a lot of patients that are diagnosed too late. There's still a lot of patients who cannot be treated and cannot be cured, and we still don't understand the biology.
The best things about being a PhD student is that you get to study something that you are passionate about, and on a day-to-day basis I choose what I get to do on that day, and I get to grow projects up from the start and get great results which may end up helping patients in the future. Doing research is hard. Some experiments will not work, and for every positive result you get, there will be lots of negative results. But when you get a result that supports your thesis, it can be super exciting and it will always keep you motivated in the future. It can be very difficult to get funding, especially when you're doing lab work, which can be very expensive, and that's why it's so important that BR UK gives funding to people like me so we can do our experiments and help to find cures. I would definitely recommend someone do a PhD because you get to study what you're passionate about, and it's a great way to make a difference. And bowel disease, there's not enough people researching. Many other cancer types like breast cancer, they get a lot of attention, but I don't think bowel cancers get enough attention, so it's very important.